Yo.
So we're going to talk about can you hear me?
Yep.
How can the environment change the way plants grow?
Environment is a place that's something left, right?
Yeah, so we live in I live in a coastal environment. I live near a coast. So here, let's look up. A coast is near the ocean.
Oh, yeah, taking the Google.
Yeah, so environment is the surroundings, so everything around us, where a plant, animal, or person lives. So it could be like the whole natural world. So for example, a coastal environment is something like this.
Right.
So it's everything that lives in a place like this near the ocean.
All right.
What kind of environment do you live in?
Many buildings. I live in apartments and a city, which have many buildings and many people.
That's right. So you live in a city. So you live in a city environment.
Yep.
Yeah. But when people talk about the environment in general, they're usually talking about the natural world.
All right. Natural.
So that means the air, trees, mountains, oceans, and more.
Oh,
the natural. Yeah. Okay, so how do you think that the environment changes the way plants grow?
Like a cactus live in a dry environment.
Yeah, that's
true. They don't have leaves, and the roots go very deep so they get water from the ground.
Exactly, that is a great example. Because
rainforest trees have big leaves because they rain almost every day.
That's right. So they have a lot to soak up the rain. Okay, very good. So a change to the environment can change how a plant grows. Can you read to me about plants?
A change to the environment can change how a plant grows. Plants need the right amount of sunlight and water to grow and stay healthy. Plants also need a right temperature.
Yeah. So like what you were saying, in the desert, which is a dry place, the desert, what color is the desert normally?
When the picture of the desert, I just can see some blue sky, white cloud, and some cactus. And the good thing about cactus, when you are 30, you bring a faucet, stick the faucet in the cactus, then you have water. Cactus has water in it.
Yeah, that's right. There's water inside cactus.
And most of all, sand. Very much sand.
Yeah, so usually the desert is pretty brown, right?
Yeah.
So there's not a lot of plants because there's not a lot of water, right?
Yeah.
So without enough water, plants can die.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Other changes in plants.
Other changes in plants. Walls can change how plants grow. Vines grow along the ground. They change how they grow when they touch other plants.
Plants get nutrients.
Nutrients from the soil. Some soil lacks enough nutrients. This can cause plants to grow poorly.
Poorly. Good.
Poorly.
Yes. So wind can change how plants grow. Vines grow along the ground. They change how they grow when they touch another plant.
Yeah. So next time you read first, or I'll just make the same problem again. I don't know the word.
Sure, I can read first next time. Okay, so what's happening here? What are the vines doing in this picture?
Wait, that is not a vine. That's a clip.
That's a
Like
vine.
they say over. No, that's not.
It's a vine.
No.
What do you think it is?
This is a clip to say stuff over like papers. They have a clip.
Maybe it looks like that, but this is a real plant.
Not at all.
It really is.
I can even say it's a rope.
No, it's a plant. It's called a vine.
All right. But still, it's different,
It is, yeah. It is kind of crazy how it looks like our notebooks. That's true. So what is this vine doing?
Making itself ugly like a clip.
That's true, but what is it doing to the other plants?
They make the plants different.
Yeah, it's growing around the other plants, right?
Yeah, but why?
I think it's probably because of wind.
It's an alien.
That's not very nice with the plant.
But still, it's an alien hand trying to grab the leaf and eat it and test the humans' food and let's see, and they climb so that people don't see them.
Maybe they're helping each other.
So
Maybe the vine is helping the stem stay straight.
So
But you might be right. It does kind of look like an alien hand. Okay, let's go to the next page. Oh, wait, actually, before we do. So what do you think the main things a plant needs in its environment are?
Nature,
Yeah. And what about in the soil? What does there need to be in the soil?
root, and the seed.
What else?
Sunlight, water, other.
Nutrients too, right?
Yeah, but do you like me?
What?
What happened?
Sorry, I had to move. Okay.